Hey guys, this is Fundo on Shupagama. Tonight on Uzalo. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Kunzi comes dangerous closer to the truth, while flavor creates some much needed boundaries. Mtambisi becomes scared when Kunzi check his hands that they have a ring that actually see on Ntambisi, and Ntambisi see that the ring he left on Kunzi house. That's why Kunzi comes to him to check it, and he asks what is going on between him and Kapsile. Kapsile is scared to lose Kunzi, while he is enjoying to be loved by Mtambisi. Njeza disappoint in Hlelo Chuza and Mbata plans are finally comes together. While Kazimulo wants to spend his time with his father and Nosipo does not wants to go with them. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.